45分。
非常好 ，OK。好，我们现在练一下这个，很难吗？学得很快。
11点。
非常好。
4点。7点。8点。6点。1点。
非常好。
12点。
12点。
12点。5点。
5点。
5点。
Round the lips。5点。
5点。
对。
3点。10点。2点。
This one we're gonna say
2点。
非常好。So always got confused, right? Usually, when this number follow the measure word, we're gonna say liǎng. When we talk about the time, what time is it? Still we say 2点.
Okay.
Yeah. But when we have a minute after that.
2点。
2点20。
That's right. 2点20。Oh, okay.
Right. So this is what I want to say. In front of the clock, we say 2. But for the minutes, we still say 2. That's how you pronounce it when you talk about time.
Okay.
2点20。
2点20。
对。
2点12。
对，非常好。
12。
对，再来。
2点12。
好。
2点02。
对。So you have two ways to describe this. You can say 2点02 or 2点02分。
Oh, like minute.
Right, 分 means minute. But this is optional. You can save it. Can you use 分 to say this one and this one? So this could be.
That could be 2点20分。
对。
2点12分。
对，非常好。So which one is 分? Can you point 分?
分。
Right. Can you tell me this character? What's on the top?
8.
对, it's a number you learned before. And what's in the bottom?
刀。
刀. And which one is 刀 character in those cards? Which one is 刀 character? Right. So 刀 is under the 8 together. It's a 分. Here means minute. Original meaning is to split. That's the meaning for 分. That's why you see 刀 in the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, to split